Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. In today's video we'll be working on a forward edge, guys. So if you have a forward edge and you're trying to find the fuse for your sound amplifier, also known as the subwoofer, guys, fuse, stay with us and we'll explain where it's located. Now, not all of you will have that fuse, and it's actually two fuses, guys. It depends which sound system you have, so we will explain if you have the premium sound system where to find that fuse. Quick introduction, guys. Every single car we get at the shop, including this generation forward edge, will make at least 200 videos. Why, guys? Because our mission here at the shop is to save you as much money as we can. So please, guys, subscribe to the channel and like the video. Hopefully you will find the information helpful. Now, if you guys need to buy any replacement fuses, relays, car parts or tools, and you want to save money on those, check out the link in the description of the video below. It's there, guys, for your convenience. So let me show you what we'll be doing here and what we need to work on. This is a 2009 forward edge, guys. We'll demonstrate if you have the premium sound system where you can find the fuse, okay, for the sound amp, guys, for the sound amplifier and for the subwoofer. You need to go by the footwell, guys, okay, right here by the footwell. And if you come and twist the camera, okay, I'm going to put it this way, on the side, on the firewall, you guys have a fuse box here. Okay, that fuse box, unfortunately, you won't be able to access it until you remove, okay, that cover. You need to slide that thing over to the side. You will have another cover here underneath this cover. You will have to push in these two tabs, okay, press them and pull it out. Okay, now you guys, okay, we have good and bad news now. Good news, you actually can see the fuse numbers on the back side of the fuse cover, okay, fuse numbers. Bad news, you don't know what the fuses are for. So the first fuse that we need to check, actually, it's fuse number 18, guys. Number 18, it's really hard to reach fuse. If you see that big relay, number 18 will be the second row, the second fuse. Now this fuse, it's hard for me to show you guys, but it's a 20 amp fuse all the way on top, okay, right there. So I will try to lift it up and show you the second fuse, guys. Second fuse from top to bottom, that second row. This is, guys, one of the fuses. What about another fuse, guys? You have one more fuse, and the other fuse, it's fuse number, okay, it will be fuse number 38. Fuse number 38, this one right here. This is the second fuse. This one will be 1, 2, 3, the third fuse, okay, right here. 20 amp fuse. That's for the sound amp system as well. If you guys need to buy replacement fuses, okay, we'll show you now where you can get them from. This is the fuse right there. You can, guys, see, okay, the whole fuse box. Comes with a free fuse pull. You can get it for a fraction of the price what you're going to pay at a parts store, guys. So check out the link in the description of the video below. Definitely, guys, worth the investment in my opinion. Now I will go ahead and just install a replacement fuse. So those are, guys, the two fuses that you need to check. So hopefully, guys, the video will be helpful to any of you trying to do that. Thank you for watching, guys. Please subscribe to the channel for more videos and see you guys next time.